we're going to use mud or activated charcoal paste to be able to help you to reduce the symptoms from insect bites and poisonous stings. So, for example, if you're out in the woods, you're on camping or hiking, and you get stung or you bitten by poisonous snakes or insect bites, then one way you could do is use mud. And here I got a clod of mud here at the edge of the bowl. So if you're out there, you don't have access to, and you didn't bring first aid kit, then what you could do is get some mud, and then you just add some water to it to moisten it up, and then what I do is I'll get some water here, and we'll add some water to the mud to make it into a sort of like a creamy paste-like substance, so that you could then apply it to the area that was bitten or stung. So here's the mud here, like that. And what you do is, if I say this was the area on my arm that was stung or bitten, then with the mud then I can apply this pasty mud onto the area that was affected. And I'll wait for it to dry. And what you could do is you can put a gauze over it, or wrap a hanky around the area, tape it up so that it allows the mud to dry. And you can leave it on there for about half an hour or so, an hour. And then if you could take it off, and you can repeat the process again until you can get antiseptic, or you get home and then you can really clean it out and put antiseptic on it and things like that. But this is a temporary way to be able to help alleviate some of the symptoms and reduce the swelling as well, and the pain from the insect bite or the bee stings or the snake bites.